SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to delete a bookmark on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you have a bookmark in the Safari browser on your iPhone that you would like to delete, then you can do so by opening the Safari app. You can then touch this book icon at the bottom of the screen, and then you can choose the Bookmarks tab at the top left here. If you don't see the bookmark that you want to delete, then you can touch this Bookmarks button to go back to the main Bookmarks menu, and then you can choose the menu where you want to find the bookmark that you're going to delete. Then you just need to locate the bookmark that you want to get rid of, and then you can swipe to the left on it, and then you can tap the delete button, which will remove the bookmark from the Safari browser.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.